Area taxi services may no longer need to perform those background checks on their drivers.
New legislation proposed in Wisconsin would ban local governments from regulating taxi companies in that way. News 8's Jordan Fremstead has the story.
I think there has to be some kind of background check.
A new proposed bill in Madison would mean less regulation for community taxi companies. However, B-Cab and Limo of La Crosse owner Sue Redenbaugh says customers want to know they are safe when using cab services.
I don't think they just want anybody in driving customers around.
The proposal is supported by some taxi companies who want to compete with ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft. Both services aren't required to have the same licensing and insurance agreements. As a result, they can charge lower fares. However, local law enforcement says background checks and licensing ensure safety.
There is a certain level of comfort in knowing that the individual that's driving your cab you can feel comfortable with, is going to actually just drive you to your location in an efficient manner and drop you off. Captain
Jason Melby of the La Crosse Police Department says without regulation, background checks would be a choice for private taxi businesses.
You are taking away one of those safeguards that helps protect people that do use those services.
For Redenbaugh, she says her company will conduct background checks and drug tests regardless.
Something happens in a customer versus a child or any other person, it could be an issue.
She says there are certain people with criminal records who shouldn't be driving a cab.
If they're got a background of assault or anything to do with a minor or anything like that, there's reasons why that they shouldn't be taken public around.
Reporting in La Crosse, Jordan Fremstead, News 8.
And according to reports, more than 90 cab drivers just in Milwaukee have already signed a letter in favor of the measure. A version of this bill has also been introduced to the Senate.